Hey everybody, my name's Eric Larkin. I'm with Remax Solutions, and today I'm in Cocoa Beach, Florida, about to tour this condo. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom condo that's on the ocean, that's pet friendly, and is okay with 3-month minimum rental restrictions, this could be the property for you. Let's go check it out. What do you think of the tour? If you have any questions, would like to schedule your own private viewing, you could either give me a call, that's my cell phone number, and of course my contact information is below. My name's Eric Larkin with Remax Solutions. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you on the next tour.